Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD US CPI to lift yields and boost the greenback. NTVForexâ.com News ID 6B93AC 6 minutes ago by NTVForex team. EUR USD has been struggling as higher US yields boost the dollar. US inflation, coronavirus headlines and the ongoing US fiscal impasse are in play. Overall, most factors play in favor of the dollar and against the euro, according to NTVForexâ's analyst Yohay Elam. Key quotes: œInvestors seem to have an insatiable appetite for scooping up US debt, but that may have reached its limits. Uncle Sam is issuing a record amount of bonds this week, and this time, yields have been on the rise. In turn, that is supporting the dollar across the board. NBSPA US inflation figures for July due out later in the day are set to show steady gains, potentially lifting yields and impacting the dollar. NBSPA The White House waived its requirement from states to add $100 week in special unemployment benefits, leaving only Washington's $300 week half the previous payment. In the meantime, it is unclear if executive orders on that topic and others have legal standing and how long it will take to roll them out. The economy may suffer a consumption cliff as millions of unemployed have less cash in their pockets. NBSPA coronavirus cases are also worrying, with the US recording the highest daily deaths since May. That may be a one-off, with the broader trend showing a decline in infections and mortalities. In Europe, COVID-19 infections continue rising, with concerns growing in Germany and around new regions in Spain. So far, the US situation is worse, but Europe's coronavirus advantage is not set in stone. Russia announced that it registered the world's first coronavirus vaccine, a declaration that received a lukewarm response. President Putin said his daughter was inoculated, but could not explain why his country skipped the all-important Phase 3 trial. The global race continues, with Massachusetts-based Moderna receiving a pre-order of 100 million doses from the Trump administration. Hopes for developing rapid immunization may turn the tables against the dollar. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.